we installed the VS Code or Visual Studio Code IDE, it is time to go and create this. Okay, let's move a little faster. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new file, which is going to be a Python file. I'm going to name it main.py. okay, main.py. So how we can create Python file? Okay, we can just write its name of the file, and then add an extension of .py. Any file that contains an extension of .py, that is going to be a Python file. Okay, when you execute this, that file is going to be executed using the Python interpreter. So perfect. Right now you see, try Control I for Codium command. So let's go and hit that. Perfect. We have something like this. Okay. So now that I have this main file, I'm going to create my first Python file and then try to run this. Okay, so the first program that usually people write is the hello world program. Okay, so I'm going to just use print statement here. Okay, print, and then we're going to use hello world. Okay, hello world. This is the simplest program that when we start programming language, we usually create this. So I use Control S to save this, and then I am going to hit this one. This is from Code Runner. Okay, when I hit this, it will run the script for me. And down here you see we have hello world here. Okay, down here. So this is the output of the program. When I hit this, okay, it will collapse that. I can use Control plus to zoom this and make it a bit bigger so everyone can see this better. Okay, so now when I hit this little thing here, okay, in the top right side, it's run code. Also I can use Control Alt N. Okay, when I hit enter, when I hit that, you see that we have the hello world as output here. This is one way of running this. Okay, there is another way of doing this. That is, we have the terminal here, okay, in the title bar. When I hit that and open a new terminal, it will open a new terminal, and it's just giving me the path for this. Okay, so you see that is here, and down here I can use Python and then name of the file, which is main.py. When I hit enter, it's also giving me that here. Okay, hello world. So this is the output of the program. This was two way of running the Python script. Okay, so is there any other way? Let me open the file. Okay, it was into the document. Okay, let me open that. That is here. You see the file is over here, main.py. I'm going to open my terminal here. Okay, and now inside here from a separate terminal, I'm going to run the Python script. So I use Python and then main.py. Sometimes when name of some file are kind of long, you don't wanna type all of them, just type some of them. Okay, for example, MA, then hit tab, it will complete it automatically. Okay, and then hit enter. So again, you see it is giving me the output of the program. That is here, hello world. Okay, perfect. So in this video, you'll learn how to create your first program and run it from inside IDE and outside IDE from terminal. Okay.